Hey everyone, hey, happy New Year's. It's 2019 and we're off to a new start. So this is MrAddOil again, helping you fight today for your better tomorrow. And in this new year, I got a secret to tell you. Well, it's not a secret anymore because I'm gonna tell you right on the video, but I'm changing careers. So I'm changing careers from software sales to software development. And next up, I have 10 good reasons, or my reasons why I made this career change from software sales to software development. And the purpose of this 10 video series is to help you see if software development is a good fit for you too. So I kind of designed these series of videos so that you can self-qualify yourself to see if it makes sense for you to make that shift also, to see if software development is also a good fit. So that's what we're gonna talk about next up. Cool, let me explain the rules first. So the rule will be, if you're following along with this video series, there's gonna be 10 videos where I give arguments on why you should consider software development, right? So my advice to you is take a mental note, or better yet, write it down, which of the 10 points you resonate with. And then if you resonate with at least 7 of these points, then you should really consider taking small actions towards learning how to become a software developer. So I also have a link to my blog that's gonna be in the description. You can take a look there if you want to just blast through the written word and do that qualification test for yourself without going through this 10 video series. So those are the options for you. And before I start, I also launched a series of videos talking about software sales. So if you're interested in kind of exploring reasons why you should consider software sales, you can look in my channel and go to why software sales is, or whether software sales is a good fit for you. And then you can get started that way, or you can just enjoy the ride and just subscribe to this video series on why you should consider software development. But both of those resources will be available on my blog and also my YouTube channel. Okay, cool. Let's get to the first point of why you should consider software development for you. So the first reason is because programming is hard and challenging, and it requires continuous learning. So I've talked to other friends who've been in the same career path as I was, right? Software sales or in a different path. And the reason why, and then I asked them, like, why are they still in that path and they haven't considered software development? And the biggest reasons why they chose to stick with their current career is because it's relatively easier. Like they don't require, that type of work doesn't require them to learn continuously every day, especially in software sales. Like as long as you understand your pitch or know the basic skill sets of a salesperson, sales cycle, sales funnels, sales process, once you have that and you know a bit of product knowledge, then you don't really need to learn more out of that. Like the industry or the art of sales will not change drastically in a foreseeable future. But when it comes to software development, technologies change really fast. For example, if you're gonna be a front-end engineer or a front-end developer, and you have to keep up with JavaScript, well, these technologies change quite fast and you have to keep up with the trends. So these are reasons why other professionals that I've interviewed or friends I've talked to chose not to go with software development. But if that is something, continuous learning, something that's challenging, if that's of interest to you, then you might consider software development like I am considering it right now. I'm gonna list off 8 traits of why you might enjoy this particular argument, right? That software development is challenging, it's hard, and it requires continuous learning. So here are the 8 traits. If you resonate with at least 4 of them, then you can tick this argument off for yourself, saying that I've self-qualified myself in believing that for this argument, for the point of continuous learning, that's hard. Those are the reasons why I want to consider software development. So the first reason would be you sincerely enjoy mental stimulation. Like you're a very intellectual person and you like to think and you enjoy thinking. Reason number 2, you enjoy the process of learning new things. Reason number 3, you enjoy keeping up with new trends, new technologies, and you're very adaptable. You welcome change and you like to gravitate towards change and adapt yourself in this new environment, and you have fun doing that. Reason number 4, you're a self-driven, goal-driven type of individual where you enjoy accomplishing things and building things and showcasing them, while simultaneously you also enjoy collaborating with other people to achieve a common goal. And reason number 5, I kind of mentioned in reason number 4, but you enjoy real collaboration with other people to accomplish a common goal. Like you don't enjoy working alone, or you enjoy having someone else help you or helping someone else, or come together as a group to accomplish a greater mission. Now, reason number 7 of why you should consider software development, right? If you're somewhat of a creative person, let's say you're a musician, some sort of artist, you sing, or creative things, you find great enjoyment in them, right? Like writing, blogging, or just like drawing. Those might be signs that software development as a full-time professional career might be a good way for you to express your creative energies. And the last reason number 8 of why you should consider software development under this argument of continuous learning, right? You enjoy building tangible things and you enjoy building these things as a way to have a sense of self-accomplishment. You're the type of person who likes to accumulate or write blogs on all the travel excursions you went to, or you want to document things that you experience, or when there's a problem, you want to build solutions for that. So those type of scenarios or things, it requires you to build things and compile things so that you can take what's in your mind and put it on paper or put it in an app or build it so that you can share it with someone else. If that sounds like you, then reason number 8 is yours. So that was all. So the first argument for why you should consider software development for you, whether it might be a good fit for you, is whether you enjoy something that's challenging, that's hard, and requires continuous learning. So if you resonated with 4 of those points that I've mentioned out of 5, then you self-qualify yourself for this argument of enjoying and liking to be challenged to grow and learn every day.